So I'm filming this with my flash on because it is nighttime. This is the bed that was supposed to have rutabagas and kohlrabi and Chinese cabbage, and this is like the last of it. So I'm just gonna harvest this and salvage what's salvageable and try to make some food out of it tonight, so that I can turn this bed over tomorrow. And I'm gonna lay down cardboard to suppress the grass that's coming up, and then I'm going to plant out my Brussels sprouts in here. I don't care about crop rotation because I don't care about crop rotation. This is a brand new bed we built this year, and I'm gonna put new topsoil on anyway. So this is, and we did salads in this before, so this went from salads to brassicas, and then I'm gonna do more brassicas because I believe in the power of brassicas. Yay! So I think that might be a very tiny rutabaga. So I'll take that in the house, which is hilarious. This is my giant bowl of greens so far. I think this might actually be a broccoli. So I'm going to leave this and I'm just going to plant up the stem. And then this is a salad that we grew from our summer salads. Yeah, but I will deal with this tomorrow in the light. And that's a nasturtium that just died because nasturtiums. Yeah, but we'll see if there's another little, yeah, teeny tiny little rutabaga. It's fine. And look, a ladybug. We have a ladybug. Hello, lady. You are a bug. Ladybug. But yeah, this is just not what I wanted, and I put too many seeds in and never thinned out, and then there was a lot of pest and bug damage that we had this summer because the white cabbage moths were no joke. But yeah, we'll see. And it is not worth it to me to try to transplant and save these because these have been in here forever, and any development they would have had is stunted. So like the stuff that I have in the house that is the same genus as this, like the same kind of plants, but possibly different varieties, are already bigger than these. And I started them less than a month ago, and these have been here since summer. So yeah, that's that. That is done. And I'm just gonna leave the salad because it grew back and wait and see what this is, because that might be a broccoli. I may have transplanted a broccoli in here and forgot that I had done that, because that seems like something I absolutely would do. Just so you know I wasn't lying, that is a kohlrabi that I sowed on December 1st, and that is a rutabaga that I sowed sometime in like September, August, something like that when I turned the bed over. I'll have to double check. But yeah, that is like, they're almost the exact same size plant. Right, like, and it is December 22nd. So 3 weeks of growth inside under lights versus outside and bad spacing. Like, yeah, and I just potted these up yesterday. So they just got new and better spacing, and it has a lot of friends that are in the same situation, but it's too dark on that tray. So they're I just potted them up and I'm keeping them in the dark before moving them in under the lights. So yeah, that's a thing. Hopefully it'll all be happier. Well, I'm gonna fix this because it's actually a beautiful day for once. What? Too beautiful.
Mommy,
yeah.
I got a kitten ball.
You do have a kitten ball. Yeah.
What's the orange on the
Yeah. We're gonna fix this bed up.
Mommy, you want to fix the babe stuff?
Yeah, we're gonna fix it up. So it'll be good.
Mom.
We'll see what happens.
Mommy, see that?
Yeah. It's grass. You want to pull it out for the chickens?
Okay.
You can pull it out for the chickens. Or not. It's fine.
Mommy,
This cardboard's gonna go down there. I'm gonna try to lift that salad up. I'm just gonna plant up I think that's a broccoli that has somehow managed to get in here. Or it could be a kohlrabi that just hasn't bulbed up. But, and the kids are just gonna play and throw balls in the vegetable garden. It's fine. It's fine. Don't stress. It's fine. Look how pretty it is. It's so pretty. And clearly too much Steve and Maggie and Peppa Pig. That's good enough for me. And I pulled that guy out and just weeded the weeds that were around him. I'll put them back in here in a minute. So we have 3 Brussels sprouts, 2 purple sprouting broccoli, 2 spätzle, and 1 Savoy cabbage. And that's going to go in with the mystery broccoli and the salad. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the most plants you should put in there without things losing their minds. Spacing, I put the cardboard down, added 100 liters of soil to top dress, and just buried that 1 broccoli deeper. And then I'm gonna put these in. Brussels sprouts in the back, 3 rows of broccoli. I'm pretty sure that's a broccoli. It might be a kohlrabi. 2 purple sprouting broccoli, the vidcol on the end, and the Savoy in the middle, and then the salad's just gonna go in there. It'll be slightly asymmetrical, but it'll be okay. Maybe I'll switch the salad and the Savoy. Yeah, let's do that. So we'll do Savoy up there and then salad down here. And that'll be slightly less displeasing to the eye. And then the salad can grow in the shade of the Savoy. All right, plan made. Well, those are all planted in, and I just have to put their bedding on it, and then they're good to go. That's done. And they are all tucked in their bed. I'm gonna roll this back down, because even though it's really sunny, I think them having that warmth tonight will make them very happy. It's sunny but cold. And then I'm not watering this because our water table is too wet. So these were in the greenhouse for months. They've been inside for 3 days, and now they're ripe. I've been waiting for these to ripen in the greenhouse, and they refused to ripen, and they were just too cold. And now they're starting to ripen. I don't pretend to know how silly that is, that it just took 3 days of being inside. I don't know if they're going to taste any good, but they're finally ripe. And oranges. So yeah, a mandarin and the pepper. Like, that's crazy. It's awesome. Stay covered in frost and angry hungry chickens. This does not count as a white Christmas to me. This is not. It's just cold. Brr. It's been frosty and sunny all day, but these guys are doing okay. Oh, my creepy mushroom forest. And then these were the guys that I planted out a couple days ago, which for the most part are doing all right. The broccolis are not looking as happy as they could, and the cabbages are not, but the Brussels sprouts in the back are super happy, and the broccoli that's been in here the whole time is super happy. I did not water this in. I'm pretty sure it is wet enough. This soil is frozen solid. So I'm going to put it on top of this, which is going to be hilarious. My plan is to pull the beets out, and then like the rest of the brassicas can get buried a little bit deeper, and I'm going to use some cardboard weed suppressant, but I need to pull the beets out first so I can transplant them. I think I'm going to take them inside and see if I can get them a little healthier, heavier, and sturdier before I put them back out again. So this is just going to have the 3 brassicas in it, and potentially probably still mushrooms. Yeah, there's more lettuce. You want to go give the more spinach to the chickens? Not from there. Nope. That's not for chickens. This is good for chickens.
That's good for chicken?
Yes. Well, now I just realized he stole my parsnip and carrot tops instead of the shard. It's fine. Toddlers, it's fine. We love them. They don't make us crazy at all because they're cute. Toddlers. Oh, that's hilarious how frozen this bag of soil is. Hopefully this will not make them sad, putting ice on top of them, because I'll have the cardboard insulation, but we'll see. Did not have really enough pine shavings to mulch this fully, but it's okay. It has the cardboard mulch, it has some more dirt, and then it has the pine shavings on top, so it should be good enough for the weeds that were in there and these 3 plants to keep growing on. and he wants to give more lettuce to the chickens. So we're going to do that before it gets too dark. It's a slide. And that is one heck of a sunset on Christmas Day. I will take that. Even if he wears his hat backwards, because he is a squirrel. Yay, slide? Yeah. Hi, silly.